But I'm leaving work. It's what is it, 1:30? A little after. So what is that down? Oh, that's my little ambidextrous visor, little latch deal was messing with me. I was seeing it out of the corner of my eye, but I wasn't. Oh, I was seeing it, but I wasn't sure what it was. But yeah, it was all right. So I figured I'd give it. I'd go for. Well, I'd ride to work and then home. Obviously, pretty sure I need front bearings because I hear it clicking. She's too quick. And that was only about a quarter throttle. Oh, I tested it. I'd probably put it in the video. I got bored at lunch, so I decided to do a oh, what is it, a decibel reading on my exhaust, and at an idle she was 102 decibels at an idle. Why is this fogging up like that? But took it up to 3,000 RPMs, and I couldn't film it and turn the throttle and hold that all at the same time. But I was at 3,000 RPMs. She was 115 decibels. So, I mean, she's loud, like obnoxiously loud. I don't plan on changing that. But to put it into perspective, a jet engine is 120 decibels. I was almost at 120 decibels at 3,000 RPMs. And I'm riding with the turn signal on. They make a deal that you can, I think I've seen it before, where you can actually you wire it into your turn signals, and it will act like a car. It can tell when you've already turned and that, and it'll disengage the turn signal, which that's kind of cool. I mean, I don't know if I'd put it on here. I'm really thinking about getting the gauges done custom. I can't remember the name of the place that does it, but you said they make all kinds of stuff for CBRs. Like, they're the ones that make the throttle lock that I want. But I can, for less than 300 bucks, I think it is, I can can have my gauges custom done. I'm thinking about going blacked out background with the white lettering and having them add a gear indicator so I can tell what gear I'm in. And that'll probably, I don't know, because that they usually put it down in the tack. So I don't know if I would want it to be red or if I want it to be white as well. It's one of them days. It really is. I didn't really have much to do at work because the deals I was building I didn't have parts for, and they were ready to go. I just didn't have all the parts I needed. One part to finish it off. And then I was working on like kind of like a window slash door for them, and the handle didn't want to go on straight. When I was trying to get it on there, you got to tap them on with a hammer. There's like a rubber gasket that you set on the window, and then basically hit the hammer or hit the handle with the rubber dead blow, and it pushes it on there. Well, that gasket started to slide out at the end, so I went and was working to pull the handle off, and we used tempered glass, and out of nowhere the window was gone. And the lady that works like right across from me, she said my face was pretty funny. I was like, well, it was probably either a oh crap or what just happened face. She goes, you just looked really confused. I was like, well, 1 second there's a window there, and the next second it is literally gone. Because that's how that tempered glass is. It's the same stuff they use in cars. It doesn't crack. It just disintegrates into like 1,000 little pieces. Oh yeah, that's my head bearing.